Hey guys, little update on the distal bicep repair. It's been exactly 3 weeks. You can see I'm not supposed to straighten it out yet, but I'm not forcing it. It's just kind of laying there. Scar is still ugly, but you can see how they pinned it together so it doesn't come apart. That'll eventually go away. It's just dissolvable stitches or whatever, but feeling really good. So when I have it straight like this down here just above my watch, that gets really tender. It's weird. It's probably just from moving stuff around. So if I go to like touch it or rub it, it's just tender. It doesn't ache or anything, but it's feeling pretty good. I'm not lifting anything. That's kind of why I'm not wearing a brace. When I have my brace on, I tend to want to do more with it. Without it, I'm a little more conscious of what I'm doing. So I haven't worn it for a week and a half, probably 2 weeks. But yeah, I had surgery on the 3rd. It's not 24th, exactly 3 weeks. And it's doing good, healing good. Have a few aches and pains once in a while. It's weird on the backside. I think other people have said this too. Kind of like the forearm where they set the pin, it's tender on the backside. It doesn't really bother me unless I'm driving a lot because I put my arm up on the window, and it just, which I did a lot of driving yesterday. So by the time I got home, it was just achy. So I had like 3 hours, no, actually, about 4.5 hours of driving yesterday. Other than that, in the morning it's a little stiff from sleeping. You're sleeping everywhere. Your arms. I'm kind of thrashing. I thrash kind of at night, so arm goes in some weird positions, but it's feeling really good. Feeling really good. I go back mid-June for my checkup. Hopefully, after that, I can start some physical therapy, just light lifting. They said probably a pound at a time, 1 pound dumbbells, 2 pound dumbbells. But it's feeling great. The doctor did a good job. Just main thing is not lifting anything with it. Cup of coffee, which have a few of those a day. Keep you going on a Monday morning. Well, no, just a 3 week update. It's exactly 21 days since I had it and feeling good. I don't try to do any kind of flexing really. I'll do a little bit really, really light. It doesn't hurt. Once in a while I feel a little bit of tension, kind of like right where the scar is at around that area, but it's not like anything major. So I think we're going to be on a good road to recovery. Um, I don't try and stretch it, extend it too much. Usually I just let it relax and not force it. But feeling good. Be back to arm wrestling in no time. This was not an arm wrestling injury, but yep, that's an update. 3 weeks. I'll update another couple weeks and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye.